We need more. Is that it? Is that all? That's all. That's all. Is all done, Mama?
Which flavours?
What
colour? What colour you want? You want honey,
green.
cappuccino, forest green,
Forest green.
or seafoam? So green.
Yeah.
And what flavour? I think you picked oak moss.
Oak moss. Oak moss. Oh yeah, that.
What does that smell like?
I don't know.
Oak moss.
Yeah, oak moss.
Alright, so we're going to do these 2 candles first, the big ones.
Yeah.
So we need 1 kilo of candle wax. Pop this in and measure. Alright. A little bit more. Nearly there. Alright.
Just let
That's
me
enough.
get 1 more. Let me get 2 more in here.
Got a kilo in there now.
Kilo? So what's the high?
1,000.
1,000!
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams? Look, Mommy, 1,000 grams! What?
Let's hope this works.
Yeah.
So, like making glass, what are we doing to the wax?
We do sand.
Yeah, you make sand.
Yeah, and you make it hot.
So you make the candle wax hot. And
Yeah.
then what's going to happen to it when it's hot?
It makes glass.
It melts.
Yeah, it melts.
And then we pour it into here
Yeah.
and it makes a candle.
Oh,
Just like making glass out of sand.
yeah.
What colour? Green.
Yeah, green.
And oak moss flavour.
Yeah.
So,
When we wait for that to finish, we do it now. I hope this works. Oh wow! It looks like sand. It looks like white sand. Like the clouds. Maybe we can make something like the clouds. Oh my goodness.
let's see, that's enough green colour. It's nice and clear.
Huh? Whoa, it's water!
It's nice and clear. So now
Sit down. Sit down and careful. Come on, Daddy. Let's put it in.
very hot, okay?
Yeah, very hot.
So we're going to put our temperature gauge on here.
I want to see it.
Now you tell me when that goes down, we need it to be 50 degrees.
50 degrees. Here. Whoop.
It's very hot. It's going up to 70 degrees nearly.
70. Where's 70?
What's your favorite
Agree?
color?
Which one is 70? Where's 70?
Alright, so you're ready to put some colour in?
Yeah.
Yeah, pour that in.
Ah, that's hot. That's hot. It's turning green.
Now it's going to be a green candle.
Yeah.
What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
The temperature? What? Come here. Not yet. Look. Look, Daddy.
This is your flavour?
Yeah.
Oak moss?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, count 20 drops.
Okay.
You can put it in.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You sure you got to 20?
Yeah.
What about 5 more for good luck?
Yeah. 1, 2.
Whoop. It's going to be nice and smelly. Temperature down, under 50.
Take that out.
Ready to go.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Still going to mix in the colour and the fragrance.
Yeah.
Can you smell it?
No. I don't smell. Ah, that's refreshing.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Pour it in.
Yeah. Whoa, it's turning green. It's green, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey, it's running out. Uh-oh.